Today we will see how to add component to create a layout from schematic. Since we will be drawing the layout from the schematic directly, we will bring in the schematic instead of drawing layer. Go on the connectivity. Access the generate, you have multiple option. Choose all from source because we will create layout from schematic. The components of the schematic will appear in the layout. Here 2 device PMOS and MOS and 4 pin VDD, VSS, VIN, VOUT. All these things will come. In Generate Layout window, our instance is PMOS and MOS and I/O pins, 4 pins. Input and out pins VDD, VSS, VIN and VOUT. And another thing needed for layout is PR boundary, that means cell height and width. So, we are basically generating the instance which is from the device and I/O is already in the schematic. New thing is the PR boundary. And we are actually look into the I/O option. There are many options in these section. We can see 4 pins in display. Pins names and net name are same. The pins will be created on the drawing layer of metal 1. This is the dimension. If you don't want to create it metal 1, then you can change it. You can change it 1 by 1 or change all in layer do your need. Sometimes the VDD and VSS pins could be in metal too, depends on the library. This is the PR boundary, shape is rectangular and center is 0, 0. If we create the polygon shape, need the XY coordinate value. Area estimation, utilization is 25% of the entire cell area will be occupied by devices and the rest will be empty space. The ratio is 1 because we keep height and width fixed. This is floorplan. This will be used mostly have a complicated layout and have more devices for many patterns. We are not changing anything, basically we generating the instance, input, output pins and PR boundary settings. ON activity pin devices will be extracted after generation, if this option keep off. We cannot show the connection between schematic and layout. If all OK, select OK, this will create layout components view for us.